Hi genius learners, so are you ready to wear your thinking cap and start with your reasoning session for grade 6? This is chapter number 4, that is dot situation. Now what is dot situation? Here you get different clusters of shapes and identify a certain location where dot exists. That dot could be in the circle, in the square, in a triangle, in a rectangle, or sometime it could be in the combination of certain places, and we need to just do the analysis and identify that which of the given options actually represent that particular dot. And now why do we study dot situations? Brilliant, that make you a good analytical person and you are able to analyze the different options that could be the solution to the given problem and come to the right conclusion. So come, let's meet Myra, who is little confused and is not able to get the solution for the given dot situation. Teacher is going to help her. Here we could see we have a circle, here we have a triangle and a square also. Can you tell me where actually is the dot? Perfectly, that exists within the circle and the triangle, but not inside the square. So let's try finding the location here, which is the intersection of circle and triangle. Here we have a circle and this is a triangle. They are not meeting at any point. So this cannot be the answer. Come over here, we have a triangle and a circle, but this point of intersection is also the point of intersection inside the square. So again, this is not the right answer. Let's look at the third figure. Here we have a triangle and a circle, and we can mark the location within the intersection of the two one. And can we have it over here? Again, a big no. So C is your right answer. Now sometimes you get one dot and sometimes the questions are more tricky. You have two dots. So just only way to get the answer is proper analysis. Keep practicing. Try to eliminate the options which are not correct, and definitely you will come out with the leftover answer, which is the correct answer. Now let's try one more figure. Here we have the intersection of a triangle, circle and a square, and this point is in a triangle and circle. Here we see the triangle and circle are not meeting at all. So we eliminate it. Come to the next one. This is a triangle and this is a circle, and this intersection also exists in a square. So what will you do? Again eliminate this option. Coming to the next one, we have a triangle here and circle here. Can we mark the meeting point? Yes, that could be the answer. Let's check the fourth one also. So again we have a circle here, triangle here, meeting point is also the meeting point of a square. Am I right? So what will you do? It goes away, and the correct option is the third option. So easy. Say easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's take one more example. Again here we have two dots. Taking the first dot which exists between triangle and circle. So let's mark it over here. Here it's not possible because triangle and circle are already embedded in a square. Let's cut it off. And here the triangle and circle doesn't have anything common. Again we cut it off. But yes, triangle and circle can be marked here. That means two are eliminated. Now by marking the second dot, we'll check that out of these two options, which one is the right one. So look for the second dot. It exists between all the three shapes, the triangle, the circle and the square. So here we have a part where we could get the triangle, circle and a square, and here we can't have it. So we eliminate it and the first one becomes your right answer. Now let's move ahead and try more examples. Here observe the figure. We have one dot. Where is that one dot existing? It exists between all the three shapes. Am I right? So look at the point of intersection of all the three shapes. It's not there. Let's eliminate it. Do we have it over here? Yes, we do. We mark it over here. But here we don't have the point of intersection for three shapes. So again eliminate it. And this one also doesn't have the point of intersection of three shapes. So we say B becomes your right option. Moving ahead, let's look at the two dot situation. The first dot exists between a circle and a square. So look at the point of intersection of circle and a square. So this is a square and this is a circle outside a triangle. Over here, this is a circle and this is a square. So point lies here. Here can we see a circle and a square intersecting? Yes, we do have it. And here, yes, of course. That means the first dot is satisfied by all the four situations. Let's hunt for the second dot. This second dot is the part of circle and triangle. So, circle and triangle, common area is this, which is again the part of the square. So, it gets eliminated, right? Again, the circle and the square has triangle inside it. So, we again eliminate it. Coming to the third one, yes, we do have the circle and the triangle over here. And this one cannot be the possibility because they are not intersecting at all. So, we say that C is your right option. Moving to more questions. So, the only thing you have to remember is look at the dot, identify its location and then keep checking for the options. Out of 4 options, let's try to eliminate as much as we can and the leftover will be your correct option. This happens in the real life also. You get so many roads to move ahead and you have to choose the right path, and that's what we learn from the question over here. You have to choose that which road is going to lead you to your correct destination, and we become the experts only by the trick of brainstorming, a little mental exercise and critical thinking. So, doing such questions improves your critical thinking and makes you an expert decision maker and become the superhero. Now you start doing the questions. All the best.